Hello, this is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament from Krishnanagar, West Bengal. This video is to bring to the urgent attention of the Chief Minister of Orissa, the Chief Secretary of Orissa and the Director General of Police of Orissa that 23 workers from my Lok Sabha constituency from Mirzapur village in the Panighata GP of Nadia district are being currently held illegally in illegal detention in an interrogation center by the Orient Police Station of Jharsuguda district. A total of 440 Bengali workers are being held, of which 23 are from my area. The Superintendent of Police Nadia has already spoken to SP Jharsuguda, who informed him that they are being held for some kind of pretext of a documentation drive. All of these 23 workers have valid documentation, Aadhaar cards, Epic cards, everything they need to work there. India is a union of states and every single citizen has the right to life and the right to livelihood and the right to work anywhere within the territory of India. Please do not think that there is no one to fight for these workers. There is no reason absolutely to detain them. SP has already spoken to you. They have given you documentation. They should be released immediately. Otherwise, we will file 23 habeas corpus petitions in every court in this land, and I will go there myself. I am sorry that it has come to this, that we are having to resort to public recordings and public appeals like this. But in 24 years of the Naveen Patnaik government, the BJD government in Orissa, we never faced a situation like this. In the past 1 year, ever since the BJP has come in, this has become a daily occurrence. I urge the Orissa government to think about one thing. It is easy for you to prey, to harass, to intimidate poor workers who go to earn a livelihood. Have you ever thought that 50% of Orissa's tourism revenue comes from Bengal? 50% of tourism is from Bengali tourists. Today, if you harass and detain our workers, tomorrow if Bengali tourists stop going to Orissa, they are the ones who stay at your hotels, who eat at your restaurants, who visit your places of pilgrimage. What will happen? Bengal is home to 1.3 crore migrant workers from other states, and they live here in peace and harmony. I urge the government of Orissa to take urgent action and to release these 23 workers ASAP. Thank you.